focus now to the latest coming in from Karnataka. We are being told that Karnataka BJP has mocked the Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy and the protests that are taking place against various raids by the Income Tax Department. In fact, what we are being told that Karnataka BJP is trying to suggest that Income Tax Act came into existence in 1961. Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister at that time, and should the credit not go to Nehru for the income tax raids that are taking place today? Let's go across to Deepak, who is joining us live for more on this big story. Deepak, now Karnataka BJP mocking the protest by the Chief Minister of Karnataka following these income tax raids.
Well, I'm not able to hear you very clearly, but of course the BJP's tweet at this point in time, they are hitting out at the Congress because, they are trying to say, while the Congress, continuously has maintained that BJP is responsible for these IT raids. Now they're trying to turn the table and go on to say that, it was during the time of Nehru that the IT department even came into existence. But nonetheless, while you see the BJP's counter coming in through Twitter, here you're looking at a massive protest, of course, that's going on through the day. And you can see the Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister, the former Chief Minister and several other ministers of the coalition cabinet who are all here outside the IT office staging a protest from the last few hours. And this could go on, and we should understand here that they have said this is a warning that they're sending out to the BJP. Here we had Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy directly allege that it is on the behest of Amit Shah that we have the head of the Income Tax Department in Karnataka who's actually going ahead in conducting these raids. Now, on one hand, we are also hearing from our sources in the IT department that, the raids that are being conducted does not involve any person to do with politics. It's mainly PWD engineers who are being raided. But of course, nonetheless, we'll have to wait and watch what comes out of these raids because, if they actually have conducted multiple searches and they do not get anything out of it, that would really add fodder to the claims of the coalition government.
Right.
Here.